Today, one of our students who have taken SSB here in the last year in October, he is just right in front of you, Karan Gaur. He has been recommended from for AFSB Varanasi for NDA 153 course for the pilot with the Indian Air Force. And recently he's cleared this his selection, basically recommended for this for AFSB Varanasi, and he's completed his medical. He's just waiting for the merit list. Karan Gaur has taken complete SSB training guidance at Doon Defence Academy in the month of October last year. He was just like you, the student of SSB. By his hard work and dedication, he has recommended. Now further he is waiting for the joining the NDA 153 course, and most probably he will get final selections and he will be in merit list. And first of all, in behalf of Doon Defence Academy students, first of all, congratulations to him. Congratulations for your selection. Okay. Now this is the time to share his experience, because you all are preparing for the SSB, Service Selection Board. A number of students, NDA 2, CDS 2, UpCat 2, had cleared the exam from Doon Defence Academy. Now you all are preparing for the SSB. This is the wonderful time for you. He is here with us to share the experience, how he has done SSB training in Doon Defence Academy, and followed by 5 days procedure in for AFSB Varanasi. Okay? Okay, Karan, just please share the experience.
Good morning all. I belong to Etah, Uttar Pradesh, but I am currently living in Delhi. My father was in Air Force, and that was my biggest motivation. I have seen the culture of Air Force and I have lived there for most of my life. So from there my motivation comes. If you prepare for the written exams fairly seriously, the returns are not very tough. You can clear them. If you only study the NCERT and focus on your basic things, you can clear them. About the SSB, I chose Doon Defence Academy in the month of October last year. I came here and I learned a lot about the screening, about the process, what are the things that you need to focus on, and what are the things you need to develop. SSB is a thing which checks your personality. So you cannot improve it in a week, but it takes time. So my first preparation helped me in the second one also. First time I got conference out. I was screened in, but some mistakes in psych test and interview resulted in a failure. These things I improved with practice in my second attempt, and I was recommended from 4 AFSB Varanasi. All these things, like GTO sir told me about the PGT, that was my biggest strength in my SSB where I got recommended. Lecturates and group discussions come from practice. So you need to develop these things on your own. PGT, HGT, FGT, command task are something which will get developed if you are serious here. Then about the group planning exercise, you need to be good verbally, which you need to practice, and you will get practice here, from which you will develop enough reasoning to tackle any situation in a group planning exercise. About the interview, you definitely get an exposure here about what kind of questions will be there, and the amount of questions you will get here are enormous, since there are 40 children in a class, and you will get questions from every candidate. What kind of personality he has, what are the common things that we both share, and can these questions will be asked from me also. You have to assess these things on your own, and when you do that, your selection chances are definitely high if you can do that. A small practice of psych test is definitely needed every day, because psych comes from practice. You can improve psychology cannot be improved, but you can definitely improve the way you write the stories, you write the approach. Your approach, you can improve that. You can develop your habits so that these qualities come natural to you. I would like to thank all the assessors, GTO sir, Sudhir sir, my interview sir. who helped me to improve upon my mistakes, and you helped me to grow. Thank you.
Okay, gentlemen, basically, Karan basically told you each and everything about SSB preparation and all. Okay? Now, basically, you are taking SSB, take initiative and do hard work. Okay? And you 100% you will success. SSB is only for selection, not for rejection. They want to see the potential of the candidates. Okay? But you have to do the hard work and keep always a positive attitude towards your career. Okay, gentlemen? Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.